How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you the most precise bottoms in the stock market. I guarantee that, and I'll show you exactly how I do that with my system. And if you stay long enough, I have a premium Discord with my favorite trades with entries and exits before I get in that have been consistently profitable for 6 months. I had not made a loss yet, so it's looking awesome. Back tested this strategy, but let me show you exactly how this works with ticker CRBP that has just made an explosive move. And I want to give people my analysis. What do I see? Where price can go? Should we keep buying this? And obviously, my answer is no for this. I am a reversal trader, so I look for the tops and I look for the bottoms. You're going to see the three bands. Red means sell zone, green means buy zone, and your blue band is where price has to go back to it. That is where your potential target is if it's above or below. So we are below the band here, and it's massively above. This is the same thing I saw with DWAC. It went so far up, but it cannot sustain it. So CRBP is up a lot. Obviously, at the end of the day, it's up 250% almost. Obviously, it was up more with the wick way above it. So this is, a chart that has to be corrected. When the price is way above it, that's going to be all of the time. It's going to be a big wick coming down because the price does not make sense, and the chart has to go in an orderly fashion way. The blue band is way down here at $8.91. Obviously, I don't think it's going all the way back there. This blue band is going to fluctuate a little as price goes up. This is going to start curling up, and but that is where price will end up going, and over some time it will hit that. As you can see, when price goes over, into my buy zone right in here, it pumps, and then it touches that blue band, right? It has to. When price goes away from the blue band, it finally goes back and touch it. As you can see right in here, we get a little sell signal. We start accumulating a lot of shorts. Shorts end up winning because, we're in a big sell zone. And these settings are so customized where if this hits my red band, you better get out of all your shares if you're in it. And, two, you can try to short it. I don't like shorting, to be honest. I like to buy it. So I personally wait for the green band. Shorting can be very dangerous. It's just not for me. I like to help the buyers, so let's go Bulls. But I do want to be realistic. And as you can see right in here, the probabilities of it going up is less compared to, it's going to go down. Going down is a lot more probabilities, as you can see right here. But as you can notice, the consistency is, once it gets oversold in here, you get a spike. But you do not just buy when it, gets near the green band, or when it gets close to the green band. You want to make other decisions, and that's where I come in with my years of experience, and I back tested this strategy. If anyone knows this strategy, it's me. I've been spending years on this thing, perfecting it, and I'm giving you the general twist. So when I see this candle right here, this is red flags to me. This is obviously going to pull back at least to the very tip of this of $23.72. That is a pretty drastic move down for a stock that's only 29 bucks. You're looking at like a $6 move down, and that's the least conservative target. This could easily go back to the blue band if it really wanted to. I think, honestly, this is going to be a Fibonacci trade if you want to buy it. You want to look at those levels there. But it's just really not for me to get in. Yes, I like all the hype. A lot of people, obviously it went up a lot, and that's what causes a lot of chasers. What you do not want to do is get that FOMO and be like, this thing is going to keep going up. But in reality, every party ends, okay? Every party is going to end, and you do not want to be the last person out of the party. This will leave a lot of bag holders, unfortunately. Any stock that goes up this much is, going to have bag holders. And those bag holders are going to is going to hold this for a year or 2 years or who knows how long, till they can't take the emotional pain and they sell for a massive loss. Because as you can see, this chart has been in a downtrend for a very long time. The people who got bag hold up in this spike right here has been bag holding ever since, and price has never got even close to that area right up in here. Um, so yeah, this thing can spike really hard. This was a beautiful buy zone right in here, as you got way from 103 all the way up to 293 at the high. Obviously, you're not going to sell, at the high is you're going to take your consistent gains, and that's what I'm all about. You take the small gains, and those small gains add up to a big piece of the pie. If you made a lot of money on this trade, I will take it out. There's always another trade to trade. You missed the spike, no big deal. There's going to be another one, guys. Now, if you enjoy this kind of strategy and you like to find the tops or you like to get onto a bottom trade, this is the kind of style that I teach. I am a reversal trader. I like to find precise bottoms so we can be low relaxed. I do not like to chase, because once we start chasing and once the stock goes up, the price is moving everywhere. And a lot of the times you are going to bag hold if you do not know what you're doing. Most day traders lose their money. That's just a fact. Whereas I'm being patient, you want to make sure you're getting in on the lows, like right in here. It's near the green band, and you're patiently waiting for, some gains. And as you can see, the next 3 days gives you 22 plus a 16% gain. I am totally happy with that. Well, obviously, if you held, you would have had massive returns, as it would have hit this red band, and then obviously you would have sold right in there. But you do not know the future. You do know price has to go to the middle band. So if you got in at the low threes and you sell at mid fours, that is amazing returns. Anybody, you cannot be mad about yourself if you missed this big spike. This is how reversal trading, and this is how I made consistent money, back tested this for years, and this is how I developed my strategy. And the best thing about it, for this premium Discord, it's only a low cost of $6 a month if you subscribe on your computer. iOS charges like 30%, so it's like maybe like $7 if you do it on your phone. But it's so cheap where you can make that money back, tenfold with this strategy in a day or two or a week, just depending on your account size. But this strategy works. It's another tool in your toolkit. And if you like these kind of reversal setups, this right here is probably the best thing that I have developed, and it's unique. No one else has it. And if anyone knows it, it's me. And like I said, this premium Discord is not like any other Discord. For the low price, you get my exact trade, and you get my entries before I'm in and my exits before I'm out. And that's what's going to be posted here on the trade alerts. So if I was taking this trade, I would tell you we're going to buy CRBP, my bad, at 3.30, and then I'll give an exit alert before the price hits $4. I say I'm looking to get out at $4. Price hits $4, and then I always adjust to what market flow is doing. If I see something that's just not right, I'll say, hey guys, we need to get out for a 10% gain. This is not looking as good, and I'll give those live updates like that. So you had to have a Discord so I can tag everyone and what the market sentiment's doing, and my entries and exits. This right here, guys, I'm sure you guys will love it. And if you guys like this kind of video and you guys like this kind of style of trading where it's low risk but high reward, give the video a like, subscribe, share the video, subscribe, do all that stuff to help the algorithm. The more you engage with the YouTube video, the more YouTube shares it. But like I said, if you like the video and you stayed this long, I'll see you in the Discord. I'm going to post this Discord into the YouTube comment section below, and I'll pin it, and it will say join the premium Discord for the best trades, which it is, and a lot of people can vouch for that. But I'll see you guys in there, and if you have anything you want me to discuss with, I'm a free book in here once you're in, and I'll discuss any trades you want. But right in here, I give you my best trade with my entry and exit, and I'm sure you guys will love it. Anyways, guys, this is CRBP. I'd be very careful on this thing. Obviously, it's going to pull back. That's just what it's going to be. I would just give this one a rest and move on. Anyways, guys, catch you later. Peace out.